Namaskar, all of you. So, this is a batch notification for Odisha Judicial Service 2019 interview batch. As you know, the mains result for Odisha Judicial Service have come out. So, we are starting the batch from February 1, 2021. The PDF of this presentation of this PowerPoint slide you can find in the description section of this video, so you can download it. This is a glimpse of our result, last year's result at OJS. The videos you can go and see in our YouTube channel. So, these mock interviews and theory classes will be held at the Bhubaneswar Center of Arohan classes. So, there are two batches. First is the first batch, that is the mock interview batch, okay, which basically is a open batch or a free batch. Okay, there is no charges for it, so it's a free batch, and it consists of two mock interviews. Okay, you can give two mock interviews free of charge that you can give. Timing of the interview will be 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. That the schedule will be given to you when your interview is there, and it is for all 7 days a week. Okay, so mode is both classroom and online. Okay, classroom and online both, right? So classroom, those who can come to Bhubaneswar, you can have the physical interview directly, and those who cannot come, you can also give it online. Okay, so it is starting from February 1, 2021. Before that, you need to get in touch and give all the required documents, which I'll tell you in the later part of the video. Second batch is the comprehensive interview mentorship batch. Now here there are 10 mock interviews. I'll tell you what is the division of these 10 mock interviews. Okay, so the 10 mock interviews, basically you will have one basic interview, means how you have to face and all. Okay, then second interview will be on procedural law. Third, fourth and fifth interview will be on your optional subjects, the 3 optionals that you have taken. Okay, interview number 6 and 7, very important, will be stress interviews. Stress interview means, when the interviewer, they are basically very satisfied with your answers, with your performance, and they want to test whether under stress you would be, how would you cope under stress. So interview 6 and 7 will be stress interviews. Interview 8 will be on legal current affairs and important case laws. Okay, and interview 9 and 10 will be full mock interviews, okay, or the complete interviews, where all these will be covered. 1 to 8 will be covered. Okay, so this is the 10 interview structure for those who are joining in this program. Okay, also there will be revision of theory. Okay, the theory which you have studied for mains, what are the important parts which can come in the interview, that will be done, and recent legal affairs and important case laws, that also will be doing. Okay, the course fee for this particular batch is 5,000 rupees. But if you are a student, if you are a classroom student or a online student of our own classes OJS batch, or you are a test series student, okay, you have purchased the prelims test series or mains test series, in that case you need to inform the office. These 3 categories of students, that is our classroom students, our online e-learning students, and our test series students. Test series both prelims test or mains test. Okay, so these students, for them this will be free of charge. Okay, so you need to inform us beforehand that I was a student of the test series. Timing for the interview is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. 7 days a week will be there, and but the office will schedule when your interview is there. Next, the theory classes time will be 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and this will be alternate days, okay, as per the availability of the faculty. Then mode, so both classroom and online mode is there. Classroom, those who can come directly to Bhubaneswar from February 1. So suppose you are missing some theory classes, okay, all these classes are recorded. Even if you are staying outside Bhubaneswar, you can start your preparation right from February 1, because these theory classes etc., they all will be recorded and they will be given in your student dashboard. So even if you are not there, you can also give the mock interviews, these 10 mock interviews online also, okay. So both modes, that is classroom mode, those who can come to Bhubaneswar, and online mode, those who cannot come and would like to go through all this, okay, in their the comforts of their or the safety of their home. And this also starts from Monday, that is February 1, 2021. For the admission, there are 3 documents you need to provide. First is you have to give 2 passport size photos, okay. If you are sending it through online through WhatsApp, then you just send the image. Then your OJS 2019 mains admit card, okay, the copy of the admit card, and any one photo ID, okay, any one government issued photo ID that you have to give. So these are the 3 documents that are needed. And for any other queries, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210. You can also WhatsApp or call Suchandana madam, who is the course director for Odisha Judicial Service batches, that is 8144702660. Okay, you can call and WhatsApp her. If you want to call the center directly, Bhubaneswar center, where all the interviews and the theory classes will take place, 76840544656. And if you are interested for Cuttack center, for any batches, tests, or you want to join the regular batches of OJS, then 732-590-4599. Okay, that is it for Cuttack. So I wish you all the best to the students who have been selected. Don't take this interview lightly. 100 marks, it can have a big effect on the final ranking. So all the best those who have been selected. Those who have not been selected, there is always a next chance. Just analyze what errors you had committed during the main exam, whether your writing practice and all these things, how to write the answer and all those things you had properly have written, so that proper marks were available or were given to you. Another very important thing for the students who did not get the interview call, after the publication of the final result, okay, immediately ask for your copies or Xerox copies, photocopies, what OPSC will provide. Okay, so apply for that immediately, not now. Now you cannot apply. Final result baharilar, I think 30 days bhitere bodhe seta kariya pe padibo. Within 30 days of the final result, get the copies. Tapare apan jetale copies asijibo, you can come over and we can analyze ki kon apanako bhul hechi seta, kon pai marks khatira apanakara. Tenu jo manakara heini, okay, so rather than can apanako janiya pe padibo ki moro kon ta bhul heitila, so that next mains re apan seta thik kari paribe. Tenu खाता निश्चिंत मगेबे. जेते जण मेन्स क्वालिफाई करि नाहंती समस्ते खाता मगेबे. ओके, समस्ते खाता मगेबे आउ सेटा आपन जो मेंटर अछंती तांको आपन देखै परिबे कि आपन आसिकी मते कि सुचंदन मैडम को भी सेटा देखै परिबे. सो वी कैन एनालाइज कि हां आपन को एई एरियाज रे आउ इंप्रूव करिवार अछि, मार्क्स आपन को एथि पई कटिछ. ओके, सो बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. नमस्कार.